Jim again here at OCRV. Today we got a 16 Sprinter van that's brought in. Looks like something flew off of the over-ramp on the freeway, he was telling me. Bounced off the roof up there, so not only are we going to be replacing the windshield with the factory OEM windshield glass with all the electronics in the windshield, cameras and rain sensors, etc. But on the top we've got a camper pop-up we're going to have to remove out as well as the headliner and antenna to do the proper repairs up there on the top. So there again, if you have any needs at all, don't forget to give us a call here at OCRVCenter in Yorba Linda, California. Thank you. Jim Burrows here with the OCRVCenter in beautiful Yorba Linda, back with you with Jesse Howard here. He's picking up his Sprinter van we just did some repairs on. Jesse, what brought you to us?
Well, Jim, this is a unique specialty vehicle that I had built, and it's not the easiest rig to find a body shop for, Jim.
That's true.
I was referred to you guys by several people in Newport, and I think it was Caliber Motors.
Oh yeah. I think they do all the work for Fletcher Jones Mercedes over there.
Yes, and they highly recommended you guys, so I brought the van out here, showed you my problem, and you guys handled it very professionally and quickly. And so far, it's looking really good.
Great. Glad you're happy. Yeah, we specialize in a lot of these conversion vans. A lot of shops, ordinary shops, won't touch them. It's got
because of the height, Jim.
The height of
it,
drive, and the interior. A lot of the interior, custom interior on it. But so we did the windshield and roof repair on it, and
it's looking from here. It looks as good as new, Jim.
Like
I really
it never happened. Like it never happened. That's our goal. I'm glad you're happy, Jesse.
Thanks, Jim. Appreciate it.